What is this?
Potato.
What is this?
Pumpkin.
What is this?
Radish.
What is this?
Spinach.
What is this?
Tomato.
What is this?
Broccoli.
What is this?
Cabbage.
What is this?
Carrot.
What is this?
Cauliflower.
What is this?
Eggplant.
What is this?
Capsicum.
What is this?
Lettuce.
What is this?
Mushroom.
What is this?
Onion.
What is this?
Peas.
What is this?
Celery.
What is this?
Chocos.
What is this?
Chilies.
What is this?
Cucumber.
What is this?
Garlic.
What is this?
Ginger.
What is this?
Bell pepper.
What is this?
Spring onion.
What is this?
Sweet potato.
What is this?
Corn.
What is this?
Bamboo shoot.
What is this?
Beans.
What is this?
Turnip.
What is this?
Beetroot.
What is this?
Bitter gourd.
What is this?
Bottle gourd.